A divisibility rule is a shorthand way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digits. Let's look at the rules of divisibility by 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 and check it through an example. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. For example, in number 7965, the sum of all its digits 7, that is 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5, that is equal to 27, which is divisible by 3. Thus, we can find out that the number 7965 is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. In our example, 307776, for divisibility by 4, since its last two digits 76 is divisible by 4. The number 30776 can be easily tested for divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 6 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3 and check if it's an even number. In an example, 5922 is an even number and also the sum of their digits 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 18, which is divisible by 3. So, 5922 is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. In 213456, the last three digits 456, which is divisible by 8. So the number 213456 is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. In our example 4997, 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 29, which is not exactly divisible by 9 because we have a remainder of 2. Hence, the number 4997 is not divisible by 9. Let's recap the rules of divisibility. For divisibility by 3, 6 and 9, we need to add. We need to add that is sum of all digits of the number and divide with their respective divisor number. To check for divisibility by 4, the number performed by the last 2 digits, and for divisibility by 8, the number formed by their last 3 digits should only needs to be tested.